Support for protons made from electrons and positrons. My model of a proton suggests a challenging idea that replaces quarks with electrons and positrons, which are anti-electrons. Therefore, proton is made up of 2 positrons and 1 electron. This gives it a charge of exactly +1. A neutron is made up of 2 positrons and 2 electrons, or 1 proton and 1 electron. This gives it a charge of exactly 0. This model solves where the missing antimatter is. It's in the protons and neutrons. This model also shows why the tiny electron is exactly the same charge as the massive proton. Summary of the full model is at the end. There is some tentative support for my model in positronium. Positronium is 1 electron and 1 positron bound together in a short-lived atom. Compare this with the hydrogen atom, which is 1 electron and 1 proton. There are alternate configurations for positronium, 2 that are the exact opposite of my model for the proton and neutron are positronium ion. This is made up of 2 electrons and 1 positron. This is the exact opposite of my model for the proton, 2 positrons and 1 electron. Dipositronium, or 2 positroniums. This is made up of 2 electrons and 2 positrons. This is the same as my model for the neutron, 2 positrons and 2 electrons. The fact that these antimatter versions can exist, even as short-lived as they are, supports my model as a possible makeup of a proton and neutron. Can protons be made today? My best guess is no. The reason being none have been made anywhere in any way. Even beta minus decay is just a neutron shedding an electron to get to the original unchanged proton inside. Protons are very stable, refuse to decay, and must take the Big Bang temperatures to create. Short summary of overall model. Start with an eternal singularity of photon energy. These photons in a Big Bang created matter as the first electron and positron pair in pair conversion. This started space-time. The universe expanded exponentially as more and more electron-positron pairs poured in from every point of empty space like vacuum energy does still. Most of the pairs annihilated into an expanding anti-gravity energy called dark energy. This made up 95% of the universe. I'm including dark matter. 5% of these electron-positron pairs created all protons and neutrons, which created all atoms. Thanks for reading and listening.